Let's begin from our chapter number 13 from textbook, Fields and Fences. Now in your textbook one short story is given about one farmer, and the name of the farmer is Rahmat. He wants to buy a fence to cover the fields, but for buying the fence he need to measure the field. So he is thinking that how much wire he want to buy or he will need to buy. See here, the measurement is given of Rahmat's field: 9 meter, 9 meter, 15 meter, 21 meter, 21 meter. Now Rahmat measure the field. So what will be the answer? Let's check it. 9 plus 9 plus 15 plus 21. Now you are so expert in counting this type of calculation because this will be easy, because now you are in 4th standard. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 15. What will be the answer? 18 plus 15, it's 33. Yes. Then 33 plus 21. So this will be hard. 1 plus 3, 4, and 2 plus 3, 5. Yes, our answer is right. So how much meter long the wire will needed to cover this field? 54 meters long. Let's see now what happened here. So Rahmat bought a roll of 70 meter wire for the fence. But he needed how much meter long? 54 meter long. From these, two numbers are given. So you have to use your mind that what about these two numbers? This is type of one word problem. First of all, let's subtract these numbers. Why? Because Rahmat will use only 54 meters. So what about the remaining wires? 0 minus 4, not possible. 10 and here 7 minus 1 is 6. 10 minus 4, 6, then 6 minus 5. Answer will be 16. So 16 meters of wire will be left out. Let's see the next page. Now his friend, Rahmat's friend, also said that I also want same for his field. So he is requesting to his friend that can you give me the wire that is left with you? So he will use for his field. And Rahmat is so good, so he said why not? So Rahmat will give the wire to the Ganpat. But Rahmat use how much wire or how many meters of wire? Rahmat use 54 meters of wire. So how much wire did Rahmat will give to Ganpat? This is not the answer, because your remaining means left out wire you have to write the answer. So 70 minus 54, our answer is 16. So here the answer will come 16 meter. Ganpat thanked to Rahmat, and now Ganpat started to fencing his field. But Rahmat gave how much meter? 16 meter of wire. But the field of Ganpat is bigger. As you can see here, 15 meter, 15 meter, 9 meter, 9 meter. And here 18 meter. So 15 plus 15, 15 to the 30. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 30, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 48. Now 48 plus 18. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 carry over, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. It's so easy. Now you can count these types of number quickly, and now you have to do it very quickly, and you have to learn also how to count these numbers. How long is the boundary of Ganpat's field? Boundary means this line which I am showing to you. This you have to say the boundary. When you are drawing something in your drawing textbook, you are doing the border with the help of sketch pen. So you have to imagine that type of boundary. So here your answer will be 66 meter. Now how much more wire with Ganpat need for his field? Because Rahmat gave 16 meter. So now Ganpat will need how much more wire? So let's subtract the answer. 6 minus 6 number is the same, 0 is the game, and 6 minus 1 answer will be 5. So how much more wire Ganpat needed? 50 meter. And this type of sums these type of sums and these type of story sums you can solve while imagining the story. Now the practice time. Here you only have to add the numbers. So don't be confused and don't think that this is the new topic, so how you will solve the sums. It's so easy if you see the measurement carefully, or if you will count the measurement carefully. If you forget this one number, then your whole calculation will be wrong. So please be careful and see the number carefully, so your answer will be correct. Now here 15 meter it's given. I told you previously also, now you have to count very fastly. So 15 plus 15 will be 30, and 6 plus 24 it is also 30. So 30 plus 30 it will be 60 meter. This type of calculation you have to do to find the boundary of any shapes. Now I will do number C, because B number you have to do with your own self. Now here 9 meter, 15 and 12. So 15 plus 12 answer will be 27. And 27 plus 9, what will be the answer? As you know the table of 9 into 3 it's 27. So 9 into 4 it's 36. Simple. This type of method you can use, or this type of ideas you can use. Now the next topic is, there are so many word problems, but word problems is related to the fields and fences. Now here Chandu's father is called the young old man. Why? Because at the age of 70 years he is so fit. What is the secret of him? Because he goes for walking. Always he takes the round of the field. But first of all, we have to calculate the size of this field. Let's start. 150 plus 150. I told you previously also that calculate fast. 150 plus 150 will be 300, because 15 plus 15 it's 30, and you have to add 0. And the next is 100, means 400, then 500. So what is the measurement of the field? It's 500. Why 4 is written here? Because how many rounds he take? He takes 4 rounds. So you have to multiply 4 rounds into 500 meter. 4 into 5 it's 20. Add 2 zeros, 1 and 2. But here meter is given. Now you should know that how to convert meter into kilometer. Your answer will be 2 kilometer. Oh, means grandfather is taking rounds of 2 kilometer every day, so he will become fit and healthy. From this topic, you should also start walking. Now the next question is, Ganpat's wife works in a tailor shop. She has to fix lace around the tablecloth. Now here you can see the picture. See, this is the tablecloth and this is the boundary. Always remember the word boundary. In this chapter you are learning perimeter. Perimeter means around measure. So the measure of the tablecloth, it is 1 meter 50 centimeter. Now how you will calculate these numbers? First of all, see these numbers, it is centimeter and here also centimeter. So you have to use your mind that you have to convert this meter and centimeter into centimeter. How? Convert this 1 meter into centimeter, it will be 100 centimeters. So 100 plus 50, it will be 150 centimeter. So let's count. 150 plus 150 plus 50 plus 50, it's 100. So directly write here 100. 150 plus 150, the answer will be 300. And 300 plus 100, the answer will be 400 centimeter. So the measurement of the tablecloth is how much meter? 400 centimeter. But if you have to convert it into meter, then the answer will be 4 meter. Now here in the question it is given how much lace will be used in 3 such tablecloths. 3 means again you have to multiply this 4 meter into 3. Answer will be how much? 12 meter. So write it here 12 meter. Now the next it is given how much lace will be left in the roll. So first of all again you have to read the question that she bought how much meter of roll of the lace? 100 meter. So again you have to subtract the answer. 100 minus 12, because 12 meter clothes will be used. So subtract 0 minus 2, not possible. 10. 10 minus 2, it's 8. Again here 9. 9 minus 1, it's 8. And this will become 0. So answer is 88 meter or centimeter? Meter. Because here 4 meter is given.